Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the blinker combo switch that includes your headlights and fog lights in an '06 Altima. First off, you got to come to the car, and when you get down into the car, there are a screw here, a screw deep in here, and one more in here. Once those three are out, which I already have out, you reach in. If you have a screwdriver, flathead, it's a whole lot easier, and you just pop that cover right off. Now that the cover is off, you can access your blinker combo switch. Right here on top, there's a little push button. Same thing on the bottom. You push those two in, and out pops your combo switch. Same thing in reverse, put it back together. Slides right back in. Once it's in there, put the steering column back together, put the 3 screws in, and you're done. That's my video. It took me a little bit to figure it out by myself, but I want to make sure everybody else knows how to do it.